Hello everyone. So this is the fourth part of this revision class for the ABM and we are continuing the module CHRM. So hopefully you have already gone through the last three sessions in the fastest way, right? So let's continue the fourth part. So let me show you the questions for this. So you can see the term knowledge workers was introduced by whom? So it has been, these are the options and the correct answer is it has been introduced by emerging high-tech industries. So option B is the correct one. So we'll see the next question. According to Nadler, the organized learning experience in a definite time period to increase the possibility of improving job performance growth. Okay, so this is known as the organized learning experience in a definite time period और इसका पर्पस क्या है टू इंक्रीज द पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ इंप्रूविंग जॉब परफॉर्मेंस. ठीक है, सो ऑर्गेनाइज्ड एक लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस है टू इंप्रूव द जॉब परफॉर्मेंस. इसको क्या बोला जाता है? दिस इज नोन एज ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट, HRD. ठीक है, एक ऑर्गेनाइज्ड वे में हम अपना जो लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस है उसको इसीलिए यूटिलाइज किया जाएगा टू इंप्रूव द जॉब परफॉर्मेंस ग्रोथ, राइट? सो एज पर द नॉलेज दिस इज नोन एज HRD. So this is the next one. The first decade of 21st century saw extensive competition in the banking activity due to this. So there are four options given: liberalization, globalization, deregulations, privatizations. So 21st century में जो extensive जो changes हुआ है in the banking activities due to all the four. So option number A is the correct one. We'll see the next. We had been the advantage to what had been the advantage to the new private banks which started functioning in the last decade of 20th century. So जो private banks है उनके लिए क्या advantage रहा है? So these are the options: adoption of best practices, better organizational culture, implementation of latest technology, and all of the above. Obviously, so these three are the key factors and also plays an important role in case of new private sector banks, right? So remember this, option number D is the correct one. We'll see the next. Faced with the competition from the foreign banks and new private banks, what steps were initiated by public sector banks? So public sector PSB के द्वारा कौन सा steps लिया गया है? Going online by implementing CVS. So this is also true. Undertaking business process re-engineering. So business process updation. So this is also true. Training and retaining the employees. This is also true. Recruitment of specialists. So this is also correct one. So all the four steps has been taken by the public sector banks to deal to be in the competition where the private sector banks and foreign banks already doing the better one, right? So all the four are the correct ones. So option number A is the correct one. We'll see the next one. In the present context, the objective of HRD is dash. So the objective of HRD nowadays is to develop capabilities of each employee as an individual. So this is also true. To develop team spirit and functioning in every organizational unit. So team spirit को develop करने के लिए भी इनका HRD का मेन रोल रहता है. कोलैबोरेशन amongst different groups in the organizations. So एक कोलैबोरेटिव वर्क के साथ जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल गोल है उसको अचीव करने के लिए भी इसका फोकस है. So all the above are the correct one with respect to HRD nowadays. We see the next one. Which of the following is a basic element of a job requires a person to achieve a specific product? Basic element of a job requires a person to achieve a specific product, right? So this is known as task. The complex system of tasks which requires an individual to achieve an overall product and still making the relationship irrelevant is called job. So its job is a part of, it is a complex system of tasks which requires an individual to achieve an overall product. Overall product still making the relationship irrelevant is known as job. which of the following puts an individual in a hierarchical pattern? सो हायरार्चिकल पैटर्न मतलब एक एक पोजीशन वाइज डिफरेंट पैटर्न में डिवाइड कर लेता है. सो कौन सा? दैट इज नोन एज पोजीशन, राइट. सो जैसे कि हमारा बैंकिंग सेक्टर में हो जाता है क्लरिकल, नेक्स्ट हो जाता है जेम 1, एंड नेक्स्ट हो जाता है मैनेजर, नेक्स्ट होता है सीनियर मैनेजर, लाइक दैट. सो जल्दी से हम खत्म करते हैं. सो व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एम्फासिसेस ऑन द पैटर्न ऑफ म्यूचुअल एक्सपेक्टेशन? Which of the following emphasize करता है on the pattern of mutual expectation के ऊपर? That is role. Role analysis technique is used to analyze which of the following? So role analysis technique is used to analyze the role. Which of the following statement is not correctly matched? So यहाँ पर कौन सा जो है statement correctly match नहीं हो रहा है? New skill can be easily blended with the old ones. Human resource management functions developed in the past can continue and need not change. Performance and potential appraisal system has lot in common. Career planning is a motivation exercise. Is not correctly matched. Performance and potential appraisal system has lot in common. So this is not matched. So we'll see the next one. Individuals are not static, obviously. So they are dynamic and change. So the options: by acquiring new knowledge, by acquiring new skills, by developing attitudes, by changing in belief. So individuals are dynamic in nature by acquiring all the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So remember this. So option A is the correct one. By acquiring new knowledge and new skills, always we are focusing on improving our skills and knowledge, and also developing our attitudes with respect to our position changes, and also always the self belief is important. So देखते हैं next का. We need to cover maximum. So जल्दी से fastest way में कर रहे हैं. So as per Dash explanation of the need of hierarchy, need of an individual to realize his potential and self-actualization is as strong as satisfying physical needs. So कौन बोले थे जिनके accordingly जो need of the potential and self-actualization is also as strong as satisfying physical needs. ये दोनों है, ये जो की वर्ड है, ठीक है. कौन बोले थे? अब्राहम मास्लो. Remember this. As per Thorndike, which one is correct? With maturity age, the capacity to learn decreases. And as the age grows, the speed to learn diminishes and not the power to learn declines. So as per Thorndike, the correct one is as the age grows, the speed to learn diminishes, not the power to learn declines. ठीक है, ओनली द स्पीड टू लर्न डिक्लाइन हो जाता है, पर हमारा जो पावर टू लर्न, हमारा जो माइंड सेट है वो डिक्लाइन नहीं होता है. ठीक है. सो ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द करेक्ट वन. सो एज पर द थॉर्नडाइक, रिमेंबर दिस. So we'll see the next question. Which set of the following theories states that we'll see the next one. Which set of the following theories states that the learner is passive in the process of learning? So learner का जो रोल होता है passive. So कौन सा theory के according? That is mechanistic theories. Option number A is the correct one. We'll see the next. which of the following theories equate man with his brain based on the proposition that one thing that distinguishes human beings from other living things is that they possess the brains that are capable of critical thinking and problem solving. ठीक है, सो कौन सा थियरी डिफाइन करता है कि जो ह्यूमन होता है ना उनको अदर लिविंग बींग्स से डिफरेंट किया जाता है बिकॉज दे आर हैविंग ब्रेन्स एंड which have the capability of critical thinking and problem solving. सो कौन सा वाला थियोरी इसको डिफाइन करता है, दैट इज कॉग्निटिव थियोरी. सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, दैट मीन्स कॉग्निटिव थियोरी क्या इंप्लाइज कर रहा है ये वाला स्टेटमेंट में दिया गया है. ठीक है, जस्ट रिमेंबर यहाँ पर की रोड है कि ह्यूमन का क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग एंड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग का पावर है एज पर द कॉग्निटिव थियोरी. ठीक है, और मैकेनिस्टिक थियोरी के अकॉर्डिंगली यहाँ पर भी क्या वर्ड है कि लर्नर जो होता है पैसिव रोल प्ले करता है इन केस ऑफ इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ लर्निंग. ठीक है, सो जस्ट रिमेंबर द की वर्ड. So learning occurs when learners have the freedom to learn. यहाँ पर देखिए freedom to learn होता है. ठीक है, is the keyword. What is the particular relevant to their personal life situation? It is stated by which of the following theory. ठीक है, so personal life situation के accordingly depend करता है, पर learning जो होता है maximize होता है when the person have the freedom to learn. ठीक है, so as per the law that is theory organismic theory. ठीक है, so option C is the correct one. We'll see the next one. All organizations including banks conduct training to enhance. Which one is more appropriate? Enhance dash. ठीक है, so knowledge and performance of their personnel, knowledge, skills and performance of their staffs, attitude, skill and performance of their staff, knowledge, attitude and skill of their staffs. So all the organizations including bank जो ट्रेनिंग करते हैं वो इसीलिए कि to enhance the knowledge, attitude and skills of their staffs. ठीक है, so option number D is the correct one. We'll see the next one. Which of the following order is correct regarding the training process to be followed by an organization including a bank? So कौन सा जो ट्रेनिंग प्रोसेस होता है कौन सा वाला सही है? सो दैट इज ट्रेनिंग नीड्स एनालिसिस एंड आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ ट्रेनिंग नीड्स. ठीक है, पहले एनालिसिस करना है और आइडेंटिफिकेशन करना है कि ये ट्रेनिंग का एक्चुअली नीड क्या है. प्रिपरेशन ऑफ ट्रेनिंग प्लान, एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ द ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम. ठीक है, एंड इवैल्यूएशन ऑफ द ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम. ठीक है, फर्स्ट होता है एनालिसिस एंड आइडेंटिफिकेशन, नेक्स्ट हो जाता है प्रिपरेशन ऑफ द प्लान, एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ द ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम, नेक्स्ट हो जाता है इवैल्यूएशन. ठीक है, सो दिस इज बी इज द करेक्ट वन फॉर द training process to be followed. ठीक है, so these are the some important questions you need to follow for the revision. ठीक है, so likewise you will have case studies in the exam and which will be completely theoretical in nature. So just analyze and give your best to maintain the accuracy. So फिर मिलते हैं next में. Take care and happy learning.